know I'm gonna chemist. You know she got plenty food for me to eat.
Mommy, will you make it again?
So y'all wanted my ranch recipe, and here it is. I got so many comments on this recipe, so I'm giving it to you guys free of charge. Now, all the detailed measurements are in the details below. Okay, this is real detailed. And I put it all into a blender. I use my Ninja blender. You can use whatever kind of blender you have or anything to kind of blend this all together and to get it to be the same consistency. So essentially, it's like a ranch powder, if that makes any sense. I'm telling you, once you make this ranch, you're really not going to want Head and Rally no more. I'm just saying. That's just me personally. And is this ranch a healthy version? No, I'm showing you how the fat version, okay? I can use a whole Greek yogurt and whatever else, but I'm using mayo, sour cream, and buttermilk. So essentially, it is a buttermilk ranch recipe. Now, you can adjust the buttermilk to add more or less depending on how thick you actually want your ranch to be. I like mine to be creamy but pourable, you know? The details of these measurements are also in the details below. So if y'all make this ranch, go ahead, tag me, hit me up, show me, tell me how good you liked it. If you didn't like it, I don't care. Just let your girl know. After I mix it up, I put it in the fridge, and it's good in the fridge for about a week and a half, 2 weeks. I'm not a big freeze, whatever you can't use person. So if y'all freeze it and reuse it and it works for you, do your thing. I threw most of mine in a mason jar and some inside a squeezable bottle. Now, this is a lot of ranch, just so you know. So you can try to cut the recipe down in half if you want to. But yeah, this was a lot of ranch. It filled almost a complete mason jar up. But if you love ranch as much as myself and my household loves ranch, trust me, this will get used. Now, you can go down my YouTube and find videos to pair it with. You can make your own food and pair it with it. But trust me, it's going to be so good. You're not going to want to use bottled ranch anymore. But I pair mine with this. Videos on my TikTok. Go follow me, subscribe. All right, bye.